Welcome to Scrapbooking Fast with Donna Lynn. For this video, I printed my favorite photos from October and will be showing you two double-page spreads. For pages 1 and 2, I'm using Creative Memories Croptoberfest project recipe. If you like fast, fancy pages, recipe kits include designer paper, coordinating cardstock, stickers, and a cutting guide. Using a 12-inch trimmer, follow the directions on the cutting guide. If you want to do this at home with your own 12 by 12 paper, I'm cutting the cardstock 1 inch wide and moving the blade to cut only 10 inches by stopping. Flip your paper over and cut it again at 1 inch wide, again stopping the cut at 10 inches in length. Turn the paper and starting at 2 inches wide, cut to 8 inches. You can follow the markings on your 12-inch trimmer. With Creative Memories trimmer, it only cuts when you push the blade housing down, so this enables you to cut out the centers of your papers. Repeat the same cuts on a coordinating piece of cardstock. Next, with a piece of 12 by 12 designer paper, you're going to cut off 1 inch from the side, turn your paper and cut off another 1 inch off the side. Flip the paper over and repeat the same cuts just like you did on the cardstock. For the rest of the designer papers, you'll cut them out following the cutting guide, which I'll post on my blog so you can have the exact measurements if you don't have this project recipe at home. So now we've got our pieces cut and we get to adhere them to the page using tape runner adhesive. Just a little bit in each corner will hold it down. When all the pieces are mounted, you can add stickers and add your photos, and you're done. For pages 3 and 4, let's try some simple pages without a project recipe. I'm using the Full Moon Fun paper pack and sticker pack. This paper pack comes with a fun sheet that you can cut apart to make little journal boxes and borders for your page. Using your 12-inch trimmer, cut the border strip and the journal boxes out. Adhere 1 sheet of 12 by 12 paper as your background and add the border strip that you cut from the paper. You can also add a 12-inch border sticker. These candy corns are cute. Next, add your photos and a journal box and you are done. You can mount your photos onto designer paper if you want a more layered look, but this is a super fast, simple page with way less cutting than a project recipe, and I think it really showcases your photos. As much as I like this journal box, I have a longer story to tell, so I'm going to use a lined journal box instead. For more ideas and inspiration on simple scrapbooking, visit a-ofstory.com.